Where would we be without tools and machines? What would our daily life be like? When extreme performance under the harshest operating conditions makes the difference between success and failure, how far can we push the limits of our innovative materials? Today's mechanical design has reached the highest levels of innovation. Highest payloads using the lowest material weights and thicknesses. Wear resistance levels not even imaginable only a short time ago. Intensive research and international development partnerships and technologies in manufacturing and processing form the foundation for steel grades that are always one step ahead in their respective field of application. When there can be no conflict between excellent forming properties, weight savings, toughness, and best weldability. When higher payloads lead to innovative lightweight design. When reduced costs and environmental compatibility are equally in focus. When joined materials cannot break under heavy loads. The world's first custom-matched system of steels and consumables for high-strength and ultra-high-strength welded structures. When abrasion is not an issue in spite of high mechanical stress. Developed and optimized for the harshest operating conditions. When both wear resistance and weight play a decisive role. When products must exhibit long service life in spite of heavy payloads. Tailor-made solutions and comprehensive pre-processing possibilities, in addition to material and processing expertise to meet the highest quality requirements of the industry and each individual customer. When service is recognized as an integral part of the product, powerful logistics, just-in-time delivery, and comprehensive advisory services in materials, applications, and development lead to attractive solutions and to a level of environmental compatibility that will make our planet more livable in the future. First Alpine, when superior solutions are in demand in the field of innovative mechanical design.
First Alpine, one step ahead.